My name is Jonathan Hill. The name of my practice is Hill Dentistry. Got a beautiful practice in Colorado Springs, Colorado. So in my experience, marketing in the past has been like what I can do for you for a cost, whatever that means, however much I can get from you with zero results. I was educated with the marketing guide, like, hey, you got to do bus stop benches, billboards, maybe even buses, but the cost was very expensive. So I saw the benefit of marketing, but I didn't feel like I could sustain the monthly budget. I knew I was going to battle with, our accounting office in terms of like, how much is it going to cost? How much is the month? How much is the monthly commitment? How long is the commitment? What do we have to do? I already knew that in my head, but I knew in my heart I needed to market my successful business. Guess what happens in February, March of 2020? COVID hits. And that was the opportunity to rebuild your team, rebuild your marketing, so that when things open up, you're way ahead of the track when the green light goes on. I had seen our website, they had launched it maybe in February, and I literally cried with excitement because this is what I really wanted. And they were asking me, how are you doing? What's going on? I'm like, guys, this is going to be amazing. Instead of saying we are closed, we said we are open for business for dental emergencies. And we had so many emergency patients that were fearful that they couldn't go to the dental office or the hospital because their dental offices were closed. So I just had the faith in the ability of Scorpion. I was completely confident that it would sustain itself, knowing too that it's not just a monthly commitment, it's a lifelong commitment for your business. We've increased our business by 20%, new patients by 28%, collections 18%. I really attributed the success of our business to Scorpion and the dedication and the teamwork. And it's been amazing. It's so personal. We can change anything we want. The corrections, the blogs, the patient interaction. It's just increased my business, like I said, unbelievably so. And I don't worry about marketing at all. I can focus on dentistry and my patients. I can sit and talk to them. I get to focus on what I love to do. It's not just the dentistry, it's the relationships, 25 or more years with my patients, and so I can't do that if I have to worry about marketing. The first website that we had, I was really excited because you're opening your own dental practice and you really want to show the public and your community who you are. So I want to be who I am, right? We're Colorado Springs. We're not Beverly Hills. We're not Miami, Florida. We're a mom and pop practice. So communicating that to Scorpion, they're like, yeah, that's great. So when we did our website and they opened it, again, it was more like, wow, this is who we are. And I was really just reminded and impressed of the detail. And when I met the Scorpion team, they understood that as well. So I just wanted to say thank you, Julie, and the whole Scorpion team for everything that you've done for my business. It's been amazing. You guys are awesome. You guys have so much talent, and it makes my life easy because I love to do dentistry and just be with my patients, and I don't have to worry about phone calls, websites, SEO. I just have a great time what I do, and I couldn't do it without you. So again, I thank you very much.